Understanding the phrase, to be on your uppers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that might sound a bit cryptic at first. To be on your uppers. This expression has a rich history and a specific meaning that can add flavor to your English conversations. So, let's break it down together and make sure you can use it confidently in your daily English. When someone says they are on their uppers, they're not talking about a position or a physical location. Instead, this phrase is a colorful way to say that someone is experiencing financial difficulty or is very low on money. It comes from a time when the soles of shoes would wear out before the upper part, implying that if someone couldn't afford new shoes or repairs, they were quite poor. The phrase, to be on your uppers, has its roots in the late 19th to early 20th century. It reflects a period when the state of one's footwear could indicate their economic status. Shoes were expensive, and the ability to afford new ones or repair old ones was not something everyone could manage. Being on your uppers meant you were down to the last, less durable part of your shoes, a clear sign of financial hardship. Incorporating to be on your uppers into your English can add a touch of historical and cultural context. It's often used humorously or lightly to describe one's own financial woes without being too direct. For example, you might hear someone say, "I can't join you for dinner tonight. I'm on my uppers until payday." It's a more creative and less blunt way of discussing financial struggles. To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how to be on your uppers can be used in sentences. After paying all my bills this month, I'm definitely on my uppers. He's been on his uppers ever since he lost his job, but he's too proud to ask for help. I'd love to go on vacation, but I'm on my uppers right now and need to save every penny. And that's a wrap on the phrase, to be on your uppers. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you a peek into the historical aspects of language that reflect societal conditions. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and history behind the phrases we use. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. See you in our next video.